got heels on.
Yeah, so do I. So, yeah, he's got good hooks. Yeah, he's in there good though.
I gave her one last go, you know.
Hey,
The one last.
at least she didn't bury it. I appreciate it.
It could have been worse.
We almost had a way bad day.
All right, we'll get set up, man.
Yeah. Now I think I know. I realize I don't know what I'm doing.
It's a learning experience.
Yeah.
We'll do a 2-line, so we'll set you up to pull and we'll anchor off of Jason here. And then if we need to, I'll anchor off of you so it doesn't pull you or Jason, whichever one it wants to drag. So, should come right out though.
Something else, snatch block.
Yep.
2 to 1. We'll find it.
Yep, that's what I was thinking. 2 to 1. Just go down off his front bumper with a bridle and a snatch block and go right back to you. So we can use a winch extension so we can stay out away from him. So
Remember how long mine was? 50 foot?
that's fine. We don't need much one. And we can use a strap. So squishy. No, that did. And whatever gear we need, if we don't have it, I got it. So
The good old reliable Johnny has it.
what we're gonna do is down to him, bridle off his 2 front hooks, and then back to Jason. So Jason's got a winch extension, so.
Say what? I don't have a bridle.
Done? Okay. You got one, Jason? Grab my... Grab the rope we got the clasp last. Oh, yep. There you go.
There's the winch extension.
All right. I'm glad to know I'm not the only one that buys these nice Amazon Rapid straps. Puts all his stuff away. I see so many guys in our group. Just chuck it in the back. I can't do that.
That happens. Don't get me wrong.
Oh, it does.
That's the first.
I'm gonna set this in there, okay?
Yeah. He's got
a closed loop, so we're gonna need a bridle, or not a bridle,
Soft shackle?
yeah, soft shackle or hard shackle, whichever one you got.
Joel's nemesis.
Okay, I'm good with that. And then you got hooks on the front, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Johnny, do you have the worn one?
What? Winch?
No, the worn hooks.
Yes.
That one.
Yeah. And then I have my Rhino USA hooks underneath them to drive drive Joel nuts.
You got a knot in it.
Yeah, we know how that ends.
You already did that once.
No, Ryan did that once.
Oh, someone
Yep, Ryan
winched in while they had a knot in there, and
Yes.
then the unstickable knot. Most annoying
Okay.
knot possible.
It's tucked up in there so you can't really disengage it.
Well, I disengaged it, but the whole fresh road. So I swapped out my winch last week.
Gotcha. So, yeah, let's actually have you come forward just to the point where this goes through the pulley block.
Okay.
And then he's just pulling you all the way to him. All right, we're probably almost there. All right, now we're gonna set up. We're gonna bridle this. Let me guess. He's got closed hooks.
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah,
We're closed, so we need.
I've got 2 hard shackles.
Okay, that'll work perfect. So then, you got a pulley?
I've never pulled it.
Okay, grab your pulley.
Voswitch to explain to the fellow viewers what's now?
Yeah, so what we're doing, guys, is we're going to bridle up this off the front of his truck so we pull equally off his frame, because when you're in the mud, pull forces get a little out of control. So if you pull on one frame rail, you run a risk of shifting his truck. Don't want to do that. So we're going to make a bridle, pull off both. His rope's going to come through a pulley block and attach to the winch rope, and he's going to pull in, drawing the extension rope through the pulley block all the way back to his truck. And we're going to all grow 4 inches taller because of the mud.
We've been sitting with all that extra crap on there, so.
No. Yeah, no, that's what we want. Okay, so now we need his rope. Bradley, grab his rope. Yoink. We need okay, rope through there. That like that. That through there. Same goes, screw down, not up. Yep, give that to you. And then we'll put some tension on it. Make sure everything looks good. And then yeah, with those. Yep. We'll just lay that. Okay, cool. Go ahead and tighten her up. It's a nice extension. Where'd you come up with that one?
Hinkley Overlanding's going out of business sale.
Right on, that's how you get it. I'm down with
I was
that.
like, they got a Warren extension just sitting there, pretty cheap. Yeah, cool.
Alright, cool. So, what I'm going to have you do, no, stay in there, man, you're good. 4 low, real low RPMs, just enough to keep the wheels spinning so that we don't get the suction. All we're doing is break the suction, and then you just wait for the big rest. And then we'll drag you probably just the other side of this sagebrush, so we know you're up on good solid land. Okay, cool. Alright, Randy.
Yep.
Let's get you set up in a good safe location so you can film.
Yeah, I already know where to go.
Oh God.
Dad, don't get your shoes falling off.
Okay. Let's get a couple pictures for the report.
Indeed.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Alright, hold on. Okay. You're ready. Okay, come my way. All right, I think you're out.
So just kind of creep until I get on something a little more solid.
Yeah. Just go nice and easy for probably a good 100 yards back that way.
This way right here.
Yeah, it is.
Once it gets in there.
Yeah.
'Cause if it's sand, dirt, I mean, once you get your but you can't get any traction with this.
Yeah, I've had guys come at me on the YouTube videos. Wow, lad, you shouldn't have had to pull so hard. You don't understand this mud out here, guys.
Oh, dude, this
Mud is insane.
nasty stuff. I've been on a dirt bike sometime and you don't even see it, and next thing you know, you're
Woo! Yeah.
sliding everywhere.
And if you're not careful, you'll notice dark spots. Watch those.
Because that's where
That's where it's sinkhole.
Yeah.
You're going down. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, this place is riddled with sinkholes.
I've heard that, like quicksand, sinkholes, stuff.
You'll be all the way to your doors in a second. You won't even realize what happened. Then you really get stopped.
Really?
It's all over.
The dark spots.
Yeah, try to avoid the dark spots.
Right on. Well,
All right.
thanks.
Yeah, we'll get cleaned up.
Appreciate you.
No problem, guys.
Yeah. Should I just go or?
Yeah, you're
follow
welcome
you?
to go.
Okay, do
And-
my thing.
Yeah, just head straight back that way.
Yeah.
And
I'll stay on the road.
the main road, take you right out, and we'll watch for you. Cool, man.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Appreciate you guys. Yep.
Anytime.
Yep.
See ya.
See ya.
Thanks again, guys, for coming along. Thanks again for being part of the adventure. Love it if you liked and subscribed. Appreciate all you guys do. And remember, get out, have an adventure, and don't be afraid to get stuck, because you know it, we'll come get you. Thanks again, guys. You're awesome.